Hi, welcome back to the Gapster channel. My name is Gabby. I finally got myself a stand-up desk. This is a FlexiSpot E7 Plus. It took me a while to get this desk because I really wanted something strong. Look at me, I've got a lot of equipment here, some really heavy stuff. I needed something really strong and durable and sturdy. I mean, look how high I am off the ground, and this thing is rock solid. Hello? Can you get me down? Can someone get me down, please? This desk is pretty awesome. Not just it can go high, it's very, very stable, and it's very strong. Especially when you look at my equipment here, I've got some heavy-duty Variac transformers, power supplies. These things weigh 20 pounds each. You've got some oscilloscopes and a whole bunch of things. So I'm not your average guy who needs just a small desk just to putter around with. I've been working on my desk a lot lately. I spend a lot of time entering emails and building things, and I'm always crouching, and my back sometimes gets quite sore. I've been having some back issues, and I've read that a lot. You gotta keep moving and stand up a little bit and not being always in the same position. And hence that's the idea of trying to get a desk where I could actually work both sitting down, standing up, and somewhere in between whenever I feel like to. It can lift 450 pounds. So this is a heavy-duty desk. This is no slouch. And here I am. We've got at least 200 pounds here sitting on the desk just like that. And what I like about it is it's very well constructed. If we look at the legs, we have 4 legs, and they're very strong and very connected together, very well braced. The desk has legs that have 3 stages in them. This thing can go up like super high, like even if you're 7 feet tall, this desk will still be good for you. Like, I'm still going. We have 200 pounds here sitting on this desk, and look how high I am going. I'm still going. And here it is. This is the FlexiSpot E7 Plus, what it can do. And let's just go back down. It has very smooth movement. There is no jerkiness. There is nothing. It just smoothly goes up and down. It has very big, beefy motors. There's 2 of them, 1 for each side. Now you might think that with all this power and sturdiness that it can be very dangerous. So I just put a little chair here underneath the desk to simulate an obstacle underneath it and see what the safety features are. So let's put it on automatic down. So we're just gonna push the seating position, and here it goes. And as soon as it hits the obstacle, it just came back up. I was blown away by the packaging. Like, corners were very, very well protected with some really triple layers of foam and rubber and different things. All the packaging came, like the desk came in different boxes, and everything was very well sorted out with very good protection and different protective layers and plastic and foam and all kind of stuff. It was probably one of the most extreme I've seen, unlike like other companies where things often come in a flimsy packaging and things can get damaged in the shipping. And these are really difficult problems to solve because now you gotta claim insurance and all that stuff and contact the company back and forth. It's a headache that no one really wants to deal with. On the website, they have this guy pushing on the table, and the table is not moving. I was thinking like, oh yeah, he's not really pushing, that's fake. And after I actually built the table, I tried to do the same thing. I was like pushing and pushing and pushing. And it's like hard to move this thing. This table is solid. It's like really bolted to the ground. And then I start thinking why, and I realize the answer is fairly simple. The 4 legs are very, very heavy, and that's what makes the table sturdy, because the center of gravity is low. Also, you have 4 legs, and they're very well braced together, and that makes it super solid. So yeah, that video is not fake. That guy is pushing on that table. But most importantly is the slick and minimalistic design. I opted for the dark bamboo top, and it's got a nice beveled edge, and it's just beautiful, and it's very nicely made. Now let's compare the FlexiSpot E7 Plus compared to other brands. You're going to find that other brands are more flimsy and often they lack the stability and rigidity that the FlexiSpot products have. You often find they have two legs, they're not even braced sometimes, and they lack, for example, in the shipping department, you'll find that packaging is really suffers, so things don't come in a good shape. Support, if you try to call them, there is no one there to help you or really solve your problem. Also, another thing you'll find with other companies is that for often they'll have legs that have only 2-stage versus 3-stage here, and often they're a little bit skinnier and they're, like I said, not as strong. And by having just only 2 stages, if you are a little bit tall, you're not going to be able to put the desk high enough to reach. And even if it does reach close enough, the stability is not there. Their keypad lacks functions like programming. The keypad on the FlexiSpot has a USB charging port. Often you won't find these kind of features. And even if you find something similar or close enough, you're going to find that the price is 2 to 3 times higher. So the FlexiSpot E7 Plus comes with a 15-year warranty. Another interesting thing is you can actually return it risk-free within 30 days if you don't like it. Mind you, I doubt you wouldn't. There are tons of accessories you can get with this desk. Like, for example, I opted for a cable management system that you can hook up on the back. There's also a clamp power box that you can actually attach to your desk without drilling any holes in it. And it comes with 3 outlets, a USB-C and a regular USB as well. And while we are on the USB subject, the keypad actually have a little USB outlet just on the side if you want to just charge your phone or something. Another accessory that I opted for is this mat that is very nicely padded, and it's great for standing, especially if you're standing a long time, and it will help support your back, and this way you're not standing on hard floors and hurting your feet. I also got the FlexiSpot. This is a desk storage drawer, and that's going to go under the desk, so that's a nice black, it'll match the desk. There are numerous other accessories on the website. Just have to browse through. There's different options for different folks where you can actually see. FlexiSpot is not just a one-item company. They sell a whole bunch of different things that you could see, from furniture to desks to small treadmills. They have devised different ways to keep you safe at work and more comfortable. The keypad is not just a simple up and down. As soon as you touch it, it actually measures the distance in inches on how high it is off the ground. It has 4 memory presets. One is standing, one is sitting, and the other 2 is somewhere in between. But you can decide exactly with the standing one where it's going to be and all that. Set the height adjustments. All you have to do is put it where you want it to be, and you press memory and then decide, for example, let's say 2. It's going to go and stop exactly where we memorized number 2. As I mentioned earlier, the packaging was the best I have ever seen. One thing I wanted to show, how the corners come very nicely protected. There is a nice heavy-duty corner unit. Check this out. It has rubber on the inside, and there's foam, and then there is cardboard. It almost reminds me of my speakers. They're built with quite a few different layers, so that's really good. I'm going to save those because that could be very useful if I'm shipping something delicate. Here you can see the view before I unpack everything. You can see how the motor is very well protected with a big piece of rubber on the corner here and a big piece of block of cardboard on this side and also the bottom. Unlike other brands, things may come in a very flimsy box, and good luck getting it in good shape. Once I opened the boxes and laid out all the parts on the floor, just so I can easily recognize them and be organized, I checked the user manual, and I was actually impressed by the user manual. It's very easy to follow. It's mostly pictures, kind of like IKEA style. It took me roughly about an hour and a half. And I wasn't going like super fast. I was just slowly building it. I started by putting the legs together, and then you put the bracing parts together, and then you mount the motors and all that kind of stuff. And slowly, you'll see that the desk got built up. Now, if you are interested in seeing is really detailed step-by-step how I built the desk, I'm going to make a separate video, and I'll put a link for it in the description, most likely at the end of the video, where you can actually click on it if you're interested. In this corner here, I'm going to put a video on how to assemble this desk step by step. If you don't see it, it might take a couple days to show up. In this corner here, while you're assembling the desk, there will be 10 songs that you can listen to on a great system. There'll be a speaker in the middle if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you again. Take care.